India has just lost its position as the fifth largest economy in the world, down by one rank to the sixth largest economy. Now let's understand what is this ranking, why is our ranking falling, and how does it impact people like you and me who are investors, residents, citizens in India. Well, the IMF every year comes up with the global economic rankings. These are GDP calculations calculated in dollar terms. In 2022, India had overtaken the UK to become the fifth largest economy, and in this year, we were expecting to overtake Japan to become the fourth largest economy. But in the past 1 year, the rupee has devalued by almost 9% compared to the dollar, which means even though our economy is actually increasing when you convert that GDP into dollar terms, it has fallen by 9%, which has led to the fall in our ranking. But how does this impact all of us? Firstly, on a purchasing power parity perspective, we continue to be the third largest economy just behind the US and China. But here is how it's impacting our economy. First thing, this year India is really trying to negotiate a better position for it diplomatically on the global stage. For example, trying to get a permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council, trying to get higher voting rights in the IMF, in World Bank. So this fall in rank kind of goes against our case. The second thing, a lot of international investors have been continuously pulling out money from the Indian market over the past 2 years because of the falling rupee. In fact, in the beginning of this year itself, in just 3 months, more than 1 lakh crore has been pulled out of Indian markets by foreign investors, which has led to this massive drop in Indian equities.